How to use Gemini flash image in NanoBanana AI. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use this tool. First of all, go to the website name nanobanana.ai. Now here on the right top, you can see this tree line icon. Simply tap on this tree line icon. Here there's an option called toolbox. Simply tap on this drop down button. Here you'll be able to find different tools and options that you can choose from. So here I'm tapping on Gemini flash image. So this will take you to a different page. Here you can see the Gemini flash image generator. So basically this is a fast image generator. You can give different prompts that will automatically generate it to the image. Now you can even either add a prompt to the image that you want to edit for, and it will generate it as fast as possible. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.